Ring. Oh, good morning, everyone. So, yes, first question. How do human communications method differ from those of animals, and what are the key similarities? Well, in my opinion, I think the biggest difference is the complexity of human language. We use grammar, symbols, and can talk about abstract things like the future of the past that don't physically exist. Yeah, that's true. Animals communicate too, but their system are more limited. For instance, birds can give a warming call, dog can bark, different depending on emotion, and B. Their vocal dance, but those signal are practice. Human can create new words, modify our language type, and express completely new thought. But we shouldn't underestimate the similarities. Both humans and animals use mutable channels like body language, vocal sounds, and facial expressions. Animals use both posture and movement lot, and like how cat arch their back or dogs lower their body to show submission. That's similar to how humans use nonverbal communication every day without realizing it. Basically, animal also communicates emotions associated with is something content to think. Yes, clearly, with for example, use to what and it element in the two things to confirm is not. Yes, so even if animal does have simply less with the emotional, we have communication, sharing information. It very similar. Bing, bing. Okay, so moving on. So the next question is, in what ways do animals display emotion, and how does this compare to humans' emotional expressions? Well, I think that animals display emotion mostly through body language. For example, dogs wag their tails, tense up and pin their ear back, or jump around excitedly. And another example is horses. Horses show fear or comfort with ear position and movement. These are all emotional cues, right? Right. And visualization also show emotion. Visual call hunger from birds or whisper from puppy tells you how they feel. Human ways to tone of voice is a huge part of emotional expression. Even babies communicate almost entirely through vocal emotion from learned growth. Another point is physical affection. A lot of animals rely on touch and to show emotion, like primates grooming or cats rubbing against people. Humans also rely on touch for comfort, bonding, and resonance. So this is a emotional language built into our bodies. The question is, so is that woman can express emotion through complex verbal language? We can say things like, I'm is how liquid or I not think about my shoes. That level of emotion relation doesn't show up if animal communication. No animal no single are and this entice to the present situation. And yeah, human communicate human communicates emotion verbally and non-verbally, while animals rely mostly on non-verbal signals. But the fundamental emotion, fear, joy, comfort, aggression seems to be shared.
So, to sum it up, animal and human share the foundation of emotional communication. First, human as layer of symbolism, control, and self-reflection. Yeah.
You